Hi everyone, my name is Juliana and welcome to my channel. Today in this video I want to share with you some solution that helped for me in case if your iMac lagging. So this solution might not be for everyone, but for some of iMac users and I believe for some of the MacBook Pro users as well. You will have to research. Okay, so the reason that your computer lagging when you use it, might be that it's just not enough RAM for run it properly. RAM is a memory, it's abbreviation, I don't really remember what it stands for, but basically it's the amount of memory that computer uses to run the app while you're using it. It's different from the storage memory which computer has to store all your files. So sometimes when you don't have enough of it that app requires, then your computer might run very slow. And when I was purchasing my computer, I didn't really know any of those things. So my only requirement was that I wanted a big screen, as I mentioned again, because I'm editing pictures and I want them on a large screen. So I didn't really pay attention to how much RAM I have or any other specification, to be honest. So when I purchased my computer, I had 8 GB of RAM. And if you a heavy user of Photoshop, Lightroom, and you work with heavy pictures, that just might not be enough for you. That's what I noticed. I cannot, with 8 GB of RAM, I cannot run multiple applications smoothly. They just lagging insanely. The way to find out how much RAM does your computer have, in case if you don't know, you just go to the upper left corner with the Apple icon of your computer and click on it, and then click on About this Mac, and the first window will going to show you all the model of your computer as well as how much RAM it has. So if it's 8 GB or less, I'm not sure if they make any less though, maybe 8 GB is the smallest amount. So that might be the reason why your computer running slow. So the good news is for all 27-inch computer. By the way, I own a 27-inch iMac late 2015. So I believe, as far as I research online, all 27-inch iMac can be upgraded. RAM can be upgraded after you purchase it, and you can do it yourself. It's really easy. You don't need to give it away anywhere. Also, it will be much cheaper rather than buy a computer with more RAM from the manufacturer, from the Apple. So it's also kind of some hint for you. If you want to save some money, just buy a computer with lower RAM. Just make sure that it can be upgraded after that, and then you can just purchase RAM and upgrade it yourself. So okay, for the RAM, I purchased the pellets. This is obviously a packaging because the pellet's already installed in my computer, and I purchased 16 GB kit. This is how it's see, and the brand is Crucial. This is one of the brand that I find quite usable online because I researched it because there are quite many of them. Crucial have a good reviews. Also there is other one that I come across mentioned a lot. I believe like OV or something, 3-letter abbreviation, I believe it starts with O, I don't remember. That also has a lot of good reviews. I just went with Crucial. Also this 16 GB, extra 16 GB cost me $90-something, so almost $100, which is way cheaper if I would purchase a computer from manufacturer, from Apple, with even 16 GB. It's much cheaper to upgrade it yourself. So I believe that my 27-inch late 2015 can be upgraded maximum to 32 GB. Your model can be different. You need to research it again. As I've mentioned, you just go About this Mac, and on the first window there will be written the model, and then you can just go to the Apple website and see if your computer can be upgraded and how much memory you can get. Currently I'm having 24 GB, so 16 which I purchased plus 8 that I had originally, 24 GB. I don't have any problem with my computer whatsoever. it runs smoothly, fast. Photoshop, I can open any other app together with it. I can work in Lightroom and Photoshop simultaneously. I can open Safari, and it just everything runs smoothly the way it's supposed to be. Before it was just impossible and it drives me crazy. Not anymore. So that is solution. You just can upgrade your RAM. Again, how you do it, you just order it. By the way, again, very important to find out which there are so many of them. They're different for different models of the computer. And what I did, I went to the Crucial.com because this is what I used. And you can type in your model of your computer and they will select for you specific this memory palettes that which you can use. So you can buy it either from the website directly. I purchased it from B&H Photo just because from the website they had link to B&H Photo, just because I purchased most of my things from there and I just already have all my information stored there. So it was just a convenience. Otherwise I would purchase from the website. So make sure that you purchase exactly correct one. To install it, again, very simple. You just pop the button on the back of your computer and there is the panel crack open, and then you just remove it, and there is this storage slots. You just open it. So, okay, there is the videos on YouTube. You can research it, and you can just put the slots in it, close the palette. That's all done. Very simple, foolproof. The only thing, make sure that you install palettes the correct way. So how I did it, I just removed one of the original one and matched the position. I mean, of course they will be a little bit different because it's not an native Apple, plate, how they call it. But yeah, I just match it and I install it from the first time. It all worked perfectly, so no problem there. It's very easy, so don't be afraid. I understand it's kind of expensive computer and we're afraid to mess it up, but don't be afraid, it's quite easy, and there's videos on YouTube how to do that. So yes, hopefully that is a solution that just might work for you. Just might need to upgrade your RAM, and that would be it. Again, as far as I know, not all computers, not all Mac computers can be upgraded, but again, check online if you can, and if it can, then that's just might be a solution. It definitely was a solution for me. Also, one more thing before, while you waiting for your palettes, the only thing suggest, if you're Photoshop users just like me, the only thing to use it more or less smoothly is to close all the apps, and while you use Photoshop, that might increase speed of your computer a little bit more. But again, that not is comparable as when I upgraded my RAM. Okay, that's all for this video. Hopefully you find it useful, and thumbs up if you did. Comment down below if that helped you, or if you have any other ideas that you would like me to talk in my future videos, and subscribe to this channel if you haven't already, or you want to see more of my videos, and hopefully see you next time. Bye.